Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Askani Group of Companies. Today I bring very special sequence embroidery collection Khubsurat Volume-04 by Arham Textile. Descriptions are luxury digital heavy sequence embroidery shirt with back sequence, luxury digital back, luxury digital sleeves, dyed finest quality lawn trouser, luxury digital lawn dupatta, very special and finest quality 100% lawn, very attractive and fancy box packing. For order, kindly visit our website www.askanigroupofcompanies.com. You can order us through our social media links. Links are in description box. For more interesting videos and updates, kindly follow our social media links. If you are new in our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button.